Hello friends, Elizabeth Kenny Google Doodle showing on October 5th, 2022. Google celebrating Elizabeth Kenny, an Australian nurse who founded an alternative treatment for polio known as the Kenny method. Her exercises rehabilitated thousands of polio victims all over the world and is considered one of the most effective forms of treatment prior to vaccines. The Sister Kenny Memorial Houses, which celebrates her lives, were opened on this day in Queensland in 1997. Elizabeth Kenny was born in New South Wales on 20 September 1880. She grew up in an improvised farming community in rural Australia, where homeschooled by her mother before attending schools in Warialda, New South Wales, and Nobby, Queensland. Although Kenny did not have the prior to attend medical schools at 17, she forged her own path by volunteering at a hospital in Warialda. After shadowing nurses and doctors for more than a decade, Kenny gained enough working knowledge to open her own nursing practice in 1911. She encountered her first case of polio. She was unaware of the standard treatment at the time, which forced polio patients to lay in body cast for months, which in turn caused muscles atrophy. This caused many polio victims to become permanently paralyzed. With her fresh perspective, Kenny realized the affected muscles were still not permanently damaged. So she healed her patients by applying hot wet compressed to affected limbs before having them performed gradual muscle strengthening exercise. To the surprise of the medical community, her method worked. From then on, the exercises became known as the Kenny method, and the news of these effective treatments spread far and wide. Kenny traveled to America in 1940s to open rehabilitation centers such as the Sister Kenny Institute in Minneapolis, which became a world-renowned center for polio treatment. Her alternative method was effective that she received honorary degree from Rutgers University and the University of Rochester. President Franklin D. Roosevelt even invited her to lunch to discuss his own treatment. Impressed by the number of polio victims that the Kenny's method rehabilitated, President Harry Truman authorized Kenny to enter the US as she wished without a visa, a great honor only previously granted to one other non-US citizen. Her life story was told in 1946 film Sister Kenny. She died on 30 November 1952. We will regularly update on this. Thanks for watching this video.